Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add newsletter in Squarespace app. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just when you're in a Squarespace application, you just want to click plus here and click newsletter. And then you're gonna see like which newsletter you want to choose. You can go like with this one here. And when you're gonna be here, it's really simple. First, you want to edit the text here and change the content if you want to. Title, email address, updates, description, disclaimer. You can also edit that if you want to. Then you're going to see alignment here and options storage. And then you're going to see campaigns here. You can connect it to it. If you want to default list, and then it will be like, they will let you know. You can also like connect it with Zapier or MailChimp. And then you're going to see advanced here, post submit message, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can add newsletter. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.